got to be a vlog.
Yes.
A lot of balls in it.
That I've come into it.
Yes, sir. But at the church. So where is it again? Oh yeah, yeah. I forget today's jazz. Genuine with this attached. I know you would be back.
All of them coming there.
Say it again.
Atwe!
Oh shit. All of them niggas coming for real. Man, you beat. How many cows are there? 14? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Uh-oh. Whoa, dog. I look like an elephant, G. The camera isn't doing no justice, y'all. I promise you. Them niggas big as hell.
That one is mine.
The black one? No, they name it PT? The middle. You like a skeleton.
Okay, all of them come in my feet there. We don't have food for them. I don't care for them. You see when I just have that cow, that was looking really.
And now it come.
I got to call it the most stuff I do.
Nigga, peeing, man. You immune to injuries. Your body accustomed to that already. I'm about to show you all some right quick. Crazy shit. This some high voltage shit. Ja. See that close. I have no idea where dude is going, but If you said not. Ah. I've been catching mangoes for the past. Where creeper bag? Your bag in a bag? You brought this something. Yes, sir. Look at you. That's good. Really good, man. Like fat as hell, boy. I go to the quad. What up, man? Well, you need help? Dog. Don't come around me. Bro. Dude in my way. You got pigs. Ducks, all types of shit. Bro, look how dirty I am, though. That was not in the plan for today at all. So Pops told me there's a view. Nigga actually stopped. Don't even hurt like it did before. Been done was by some. I never go.
All over there, I have house over there. I go right up there. You see, up there, I got big stand.
See how beautiful it is. North of Albion. And now it's time. Let me ride, dude, to go back home.
But no good have domino today.
Yeah, you saw it. Well, I laughed for the whole day.
Right night time I going back. Come and change my clothes and come back down. Let's go down here, you go come back.